I can do the continuation of this lab. So here what we told, this is another company, we told this is another company. Here we have some different company and we are connecting that one. So imagine here you have some two department. Here I have two PC, here I have two PC. This is a small company, we can say we have two department here. We can use different color here and we can use like this. Okay, any VLAN we can use, whatever VLAN we need. So this is the two department in the different company. We need to connect that company to our company. Okay, we need to connect that company to our company. Later we will connect. First let's build some lab here in this company, some network here. Okay, and here we can say this is for VLAN 50. This PC is for VLAN 50. Name I can give, or name we can give anything. I can give name ABC, and IP schema we can use 192.168.50.0/24. and here we have VLAN 60. Name I can give XYZ, and here IP schema we will use like 60.0/24. Okay, so this one we need to configure here, and in between here what we will use, this is the router. Here 4 we use, right? So I will use this one as a R5 and this one I will use R6. So here I can put like 192.168.56.0/24. Okay, and here what IP we will give the LAN side. Here we will divide this into sub interface f0/1.50 encapsulation.1q. This is for 50. Interface f0/1.60 encapsulation.1q. 60 I can use here, and gateway here I will assign like IP address 192.168.50.1. give space 255.255.255.0. okay, and here first time you need to give like interface f0/1 no shut, no IP address. This one we need to give, and here this one I will write IP address 192.168.60.1.255.255.255.0. this we need to do this configuration in this router here. Okay, and here this subnet we need to assign and we need to do the configuration. So I think I have the notepad here. In the notepad what we are doing, let's see where I am in this one. I think whatever we corrected we need to modify here. So what we done in this notepad, let's see. In the R4, this is the R4, so we use the, this is the sub interface we use, right? So this configuration we can use this whole thing. Here this is the configuration in the R4. If you remember, this one is 192.168.24.2 here, and this will be f0/130 and 40, and then we need to enable the OSPF here also. So this one is one interface, and you have another one. This one is another interface. Okay, this one is clear. We enable the OSPF like OSPF router, OSPF 1, this interface is going here, and here sub interface you have two interface, f1/30, f1/40, and this one is okay. And we can check in switch 1, switch 2, everything is okay. And here you need to configure the DHCP also. in the R4. So I can copy this DHCP what we configure for R1, R3, and in R3 we enable, let me copy and paste and we will modify. In R3 we done for VLAN 30, here also 30, here also 30, and this should be 40, here should be 40, here also 40, here is 40, here is, sorry, one is 40, one is 30, this one. So here is 3, here is 3. Okay, so 30 40, 30 30, 30 40 40 40, and this 40 40, this one. Okay, this is R4 configuration. This one we enable already, this one we assign the IP, we enable this one. Then what else? This R3, here also we forget to enable OSPF, these two interface. Later I enable anyhow, but here in the configuration we did not put, so I will put here. See here, this interface I will copy, I will put this interface here, I will put this interface here. Okay, this one F0 by 0, F1 by dot, F1.20, this one, and area 1 we should use, here area 2. So everything is good, all other thing is up to date. Okay, so now we need to do the new configuration. This configuration already working, and we save all the configuration and we are getting root, everything is working perfectly. Okay, so now what we need to do, and here also I will save, here we need to do the configuration. So for this one we will go here and I will divide this notepad. I can say here like this R1, R4 I think, or R5, this is R5 configuration. Enable config T, and then host name R5, interface F0 by 0, IP address, whatever IP address we have, 192.168.56.1 here, and 255.255.255.0, and no shut. Just I assign the IP address. And here imagine you have router RIP version 2, no auto summary. Here RIP is working in this company. So network ID you need to write 192.168.56.0. RIP is present in this router R5. You can copy and you can paste here in this router. Later we need to connect this one.